So we go into this slide here about malware and phishing. I'm going to pass it back to Carey to sort of take you through these points in detail, and how, especially on the phishing side of things, how Riela Cyber has some resources that may be able to help you.
Thank you very much, Josh. So, in essence, the way we looked at our surface web, the deep web and the dark web, is a model for the structure here. So how do we get our information out from our deep web to the dark web or out to criminals, which utilize the clear web as well? So it's not just everything is within the dark web, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Is that they use these tools, and these are the typical methods that are used. Phishing, on the right-hand side, we'll see here, is approximately 60 to 70% of compromises, sometimes even more, 75%. It depends on the nature of the business as well, because the kind of industry would dictate the kind of technology they use or the kind of group that's attacking behind that. So it's a marginal sliding scale, but in essence, that's really where it is. So phishing will be the upper 70% of it. And phishing goes hand in hand with the malware, because really what happens is the mail gets sent to a unsuspecting user. They click on a link, it then downloads a payload, and that payload then infects the system, which in essence is malware. So it'll be the malware that then infects the user's device. Now, the malware is really a family for a multitude of different kinds of nasties, or more malicious code. It really in the olden days was a Trojan that would sit on your device that you normally download it, and it would sit and spy on your device. It would be sitting inside another application. Worms would the old adage that they tend to spread around a system and a network without any user intervention. Spirals sit and observe your information. So that's really more of what the potential modern criminals would do. Something would be on, or a piece of malicious code, my application would be on your endpoint, and then it would be observing and extracting information and sending it off to you over a period of time.